Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about Titan Pharmaceuticals, and if you are watching my videos then I have uploaded a similar video on this particular company a couple of days back, about 2 weeks ago. So as you can see here that the stock has indeed moved positionally, but if you're looking, because we are looking at a daily chart, so from the lows it has actually moved up by 200%, and from there it has already shown a correction. So basically I'm not giving any intraday kind of uh, chart analysis. So if you're holding it irrespective of any particular you know uh, format, that I want to hold it for X amount or Y amount of days, then you can probably follow my analysis or observation, because it would be much more easier, because I am rather look at a trend rather than trying to analyze the time, which I am not good at. So if you are holding this chart from the lower end of the range, then it's a different thing. But if you are holding position right now, then it will be a different thing. So in both the cases one need to know the important support and resistance level in this particular trend. So let me just discuss about that. Okay, so as you can see here, although the stocks has already moved by 200%, but this is indeed been trading inside a range. So it is not like it's just moved one way. It hasn't happened yet. If it will happen, then it will be a different case. But that will be something which we are going to discuss once things happen in that direction, not before that. So right now we are in a zone which is already there, and the stock has been moving inside that zone. So as you can see here, so this is the upper end of the range for the time being. And as you can see, probably if you check my previous videos or previous video on this particular company, you will get that reference about the points which I had already talked about, or which I will speak in this video itself. So as you can see here in the daily chart, the stock is actually moving in between 0.09 on the downside and 0.55 on the upside. Okay, so it's when you're talking about absolute numbers, it is just a penny stock. But if you're talking in terms of percentage, then the thing will be a bit different, because this range itself worth 487 or 500 odd percent. So that's why it is difference. It is a difference about your thinking, or how you look at a particular stock. Now, having said that, as the stock trading range or the trading range of this particular stock has been intact, we have to be remain inside the range. We should not go beyond the range unless the stock sustains about zero point 0.6. Okay, so here the way the stock has fallen, the immediate support level will come at 0.18. Okay, below that we have 0.14, and your final support will come at 0.09. So I'm talking about this thing again and again, irrespective about your position. So let's say you are holding your positions from the lows of 0.09, even though you are making a decent amount of gain, you have to put your stop losses at an appropriate level. Why? Because it will help you to save your profit. Okay, if you haven't yet taken your position, that's another thing. But if you have taken your position after a big rise, then also you know your important support and resistance level, because it will save you from your risk, or it will help you to understand about a better risk reward ratio. Now, talking about the support levels, which I have already talked about, if the stock falls below 0.09, one need not to carry any trade or positions afterwards, because we don't know how low it will go if it breaks the level or the downside support of 0.09. Now, on the upside, you have your first target or resistance at 0.25 followed by 0.28 where the stock recently moved and falls down. After 0.28 you have 0.42 and the higher end of the range will be 0.55. Okay, now one more level which is very important in the overall trend, because that is very near to the current price. That's why I am telling you. Let me just squeeze the chart a bit, then you will get to know. So what I have done here, now what you can see on your screen is the monthly chart, and let me go to the uh, line chart. So as you can see here, this is one more level which is very important, because let's understand that this level, okay, this level which is 0.39 is the level above which the whole area opened. So if the stock sustains above 0.39 or 0.40, the level from 0.39 0.40 till $80 will open again. Either it will be a sustainable rally or a trading rally, that's a different thing, but this is the line of demarcation. That's why if I just okay, so let us just go back to our daily chart, and here you can see, okay, here you can see, although I have talked about all the important levels, but as you can see there are lots of time that the stock try to make a move above 0.39. So here just check all these levels once, twice, thrice, four, five, six, and probably seven, eight, nine times. Okay, but all those breakouts were unsustainable and failed breakouts. So that's why I'm saying, although the stock moves above 0.39 first thing, and it is quite visible that the stock could move till 0.55, but it is very important in both the cases that the stock must sustain above 0.39 or 0.40. Why? If this happens, then the big upside will open. So let's decide, or let's see how it will work. But in any of the cases, if you are holding for intermediate term, long term, or short term, all the important support and resistance levels are marked. So you should know where your positions is or are, or also what are your risks that you are carrying to reach or to get that profit. So this is the end of the video. If you like this content, do share your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe my channel. Lastly, take care of your family and friends.